This is SumIt AI. It's a website and extension that I built myself using only my computer, aka File Explorer and Command Prompt. Basically, what it does is it summarizes terms and conditions, and it gives you pros, cons, and red flags. So you always know what you're actually signing up for. This is the summarization ground, and I have a sample terms and conditions ready, but here's how it works. You paste your terms and conditions here, you click summarize, and your summary will be here, and then you can export it if you want to save that summary for any reason at all. So here is a sample summary. I'm going to click summarize. It takes a couple seconds, and then boom. And then, of course, you can export it as a PDF. And once opened, it looks something like this. So yeah, that's the thing. So I built this using File Explorer, where I established a backend, a frontend, and a SumIt extension folder. So here we go. Here's the backend, here's the frontend, and here's the SumIt extension. So I'm going to go first to the backend, which just contains code so that I can run the server on my computer. So this is just my JavaScript server. And of course, I edited it all in Notebook. Notebook is better than VS Code in my opinion. So yeah, I did this all on Notebook. And so I can do it on Command Prompt. This version of Command Prompt is currently running my AI model using an OpenAI ChatGPT key that I got. So this is almost to the same level as OpenAI, the artificial intelligence at SumIt. So that's what I'm currently doing, and it's running over here. I'm just going to pause it. Right, and as you can see, once I pause it, it won't be able to summarize. It will instead display an error message. There we go. Unexpected error, failed to fetch. So now let me just turn it back on. Oops. And it will go. And it'll all be back to normal. Generating a summary. Now, here's something else that I built. Instead of just sticking to my website, I mean, who's actually gonna paste their terms and conditions in there? I went ahead and built an extension, SumIt extension. So now I'm just gonna pull up a terms and conditions, and it'll automatically pop up on there. So here is a terms and conditions sample that I created for SumIt. And see, the moment it detects the terms and conditions using, once again, artificial intelligence, it will be able to summarize it. It creates a button at the top. It asks you to summarize, and once more, it generates a summary in the side window. So my next steps for SumIt, where I will take SumIt, is I'm definitely going to put it on the internet for everyone to access. Right now, this is just a video of how I made it. If you want to know how I actually did it, the exact code and everything, then that's a story for another time. But yeah, this is what I did to create a pretty sick website. And next time you think of accepting without reading the entire thing or pasting it in one of these terms and conditions summarizers, as we say at SumIt AI, reading and accepting for chumps. Thank you so much. See you later.